Friends, this is Ravi Kiran from Ravi Kiran Tech Logs. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Uh, Today I'm going to start installing Windows Server 2019 operating system on virtual machine. So please watch till end, and if you have any doubts, you can post your comments on YouTube channel. Okay, let's start. So I am going to install Windows Server 2019. So language it's English, and time and currency format English, United States, and keyboard input method is US. So click next, and it is prompting to install now. So install now. Let's start. Setup is starting. So minimum configuration I have given 2 virtual CPU and 4 GB RAM. That is minimum configuration for 2019 operating system. Let's start, and I think setup is starting. So let's wait. Okay, please select evolution. So I'm going to install data center evolution version. So select and next. And I accept, and I'm going to install Windows Advanced option. So select the drive, so click next. So 60 GB space is allocated to C drive. So starting installation. Okay, copying Windows files started now, so it will take some time. Let's wait till end. Okay, yeah, almost 95% is completed. Let's wait for 100%. Okay, if you like this video, just click like and share and subscribe. Click on bell icon so that if I upload latest videos on 2019, all the features and roles need to be installed. So I'll upload most important videos. Please do not miss. Okay, installation is completed. Now installing features. Okay, installing updates. Okay, installation is completed. Now server is going to restart. Yeah, let's wait. It will restart, and it will boot from the Windows 2019 operating system. Okay, it's booting BIOS. Okay, Windows logo. Services. getting device ready. Okay, it is detecting all the motherboard devices. Okay, almost 50% is completed. So it will gather all the information and it will install the drivers for display, sound, and motherboard drivers, LAN card drivers. If it is compatible with the operating system, all the drivers will be installed defaultly. Yeah, getting ready now. Server is restarted and just booted. So finally it is verifying all the information and started, and it is asking for local administrator password. And click finish. So Windows 2019 installation is completed. Now finalizing things on your settings on machine. So once it is done, it will display Control Alt Delete to log in to the machine. So finally we have installed Windows 2019 operating system. So it is a simple like 2008 and 12 and 16, same thing. There is no major settings. So if drivers are not compatible, you need to install with driver CD. Everything other than everything, it will be normal. Okay, so last final configuration. So let's see. Okay, please wait, and it is loading. Okay, installation is done. Click Control Del. So it will prompt to enter the credentials. So now I am going to enter the credentials. Let's see. Wow, it's done now. Please wait for the user profile service. So local administrator profile will be loaded, and default account, this is the local administrator account. Applying user settings and preparing Windows. So the installation is completed now. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, click like and share, and click on subscribe and click on bell icon, so that if I upload new videos, 2019 videos, I'm going to like. If you like, please click on bell icon and subscribe, so that more interesting and important videos will be uploaded today onwards. Okay, and thanks for watching, and I think personal settings is loading now. Let's wait for screen, startup screen. Yeah, almost done. So the minimum configuration is given, or only 2 virtual CPUs and 4 GB. So it's a minimum configuration. So because of that, the server took long time for installation. If you have more CPU and memory, you can add. So installation is done, and you can see the Windows screen. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.